One easy way to cook ravioli is by boiling it. First, bring 4 quarts, 4.5 liters of water for every 1 pound, 0.5 kilograms of ravioli you're making to a boil. Then, add the ravioli to the water and stir to keep the ravioli separated. Let the ravioli cook for 4 to 6 minutes or until they float to the surface of the water. Then, drain the ravioli in a colander and add your sauce. You can also cook ravioli in the microwave. Place the ravioli in a microwave-safe dish and add half a cup, 118 milliliters of sauce and a quarter cup, 59 milliliters of water for every 5 pieces of ravioli you're cooking. Cover the dish with parchment paper and microwave the ravioli on high for 2 minutes. Then, take the cover off and stir the sauce into the ravioli. Put the parchment paper back on and heat the ravioli for 2 more minutes. Another delicious option is to bake ravioli. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Then, coat a baking dish with a thin layer of non-stick cooking spray. Set the ravioli in the baking dish and pour your sauce over them. Finally, cover the dish with aluminum foil and bake the ravioli for 55 minutes.